I normally start off my day by grabbing a coffee from one of our several lovely coffee machines. I'll then go to my desk and start developing a new feature for a stakeholder here. Once I have spoken to them, I will start writing code, hammering away on my keyboard to develop it for them. The first time I noticed that the software I write affects people was when I accidentally deployed a bug to the intranet. Quite instantly, I was messaged by 20 or so people. I also work on another system called Helix, which helps us support hundreds of robots which are doing great things for the world, such as medical research. At Labman, I really enjoy the culture we have here. For example, at lunchtimes we have a competition on our racing simulator there. Every week we will pick a different car and track, and it's whoever can set the fastest lap time during the week will win. After work, you'll find me in the workshop working on cars.